Lolo, no one or the UK. Go see Lolo. Lolekia, the most swagalicious, adulterous woman ever. You see, they message me. You want to analyze my video, Lolekia. You not put me and you not get problem again, Lolekia. Lolekia, you want to analyze my video. You do not use respect to analyze my video. Check your husband. Your husband better pass me, Lolekia. Lolekia, oh go border for her. That you are your husband. Your husband better pass me. May we stand. Lolekia, go bring your Igbo man, come aside. Let me stand. May we do this thing. Lolekia, all of you will message me now. Now I can't beat this afternoon. Before I went out with me, I can't do them. Wabodio ya. Man, if I just sit down, they give now. Lolekia, Ogoria Boamo. You will be the swagalicious adulterous. Now you teach Monica how to do lesbian. Monica will be my lesbian there. I will go men, but I will lesbian. I will have get $1 away. I will agree about video call. Yeah, remove. Lolo, when a lesbian, Ogoria boy. Lolo, as far as I not offend you now, you come for me. What soon? Because the last time I offended you, I came myself to apologize to this stupid woman. All of you, they jealous me, oh. You're mad, Lolekia. I remember Monica when I was lesbian. Oh, yeah, we married lesbian there. I remember Monica when I was lesbian, yeah. I bet woman. Oh, yeah, we married.
Oh, yeah. Lolekia no ro wa sunwu. Mutane o. You don't see assesses when Lolekia at TikTok gbera. Only one like.
Even when we did Facebook, my sister.
Lolekia degi ekene gui.
Even when we did Facebook, I can't agree about. Ozen so Nicola, from Cora, to VDN, from VDN to Enogie. Shame on you, Lolekia.
Now you they made mistake. Now even Facebook be better than pass. So TikTok one way. Of you no.
The Facebook before we even come on, my sister. You can't be never.
Lolekia, why you go? Wow, who are very useless girl. You know that. Lolekia, you don't forget OBJ. Lolekia will be say, government give her 100,000 euros. She used that bad lipstick at McDonald's.
I need that video.
I'll find out that for you.
Swear for children. Call children.
OBJ, you know what I go do? You know say I do advert for that video that year. I'll send the advert to you for TikTok, Nana. For WhatsApp, may you play them.
But I see the way Lolo they swear for children.
I'll send that to you.
May they be vagabond. Must you use the children to swear?
Lolekia say you care, mommy me dona Lolekia you
Lolekia, you went to Enogie, go bring your papa has come aside. You traveled to Europe in the year 97 till now, not prepare papa. Your father's dilapidated house.
My brother, I believe say they forget something. When Lolekia want relocate from Netherlands to UK, not forget say she carry fridge, she carry pot, she carry jet. Follow body chair where they don't use for 20 years for Holland.
When Monica say, if you want to give your children bread, you go slice like top 4.
She go use sardine to cook okra for children. Lolekia where they use sardine to cook okra for children. My brother, OBJ, may I send you the advert? May I do for her? May you play? May I send her? We send her.
You went Lolekia see for Spain. Press your breast. You could not come outside to defend it. Lolekia said chick.
She spent, they go party, they go United Enemy Reunion. Lolekia go spend 7 hours for hotel with Lolekia.
Yeah, Quirita say, you and Lolekia go outside. You want Lolekia yo? Over years Zaragoza a bit to Waye in Madrid. You as a married woman, you down with Lolekia. Malekia's girlfriend. Oh, go on. You said the thing they do for TikTok. Say that they do. Lolekia do it. Lolekia, that thing they do for TikTok. Where? Where you can make a Lolo? Ije. Lolekia. 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 You said I'm a nobody. You said I'm undocumented immigrant. Aren't you ashamed now that you are not talking to an undocumented immigrant? Lolekia. Aren't you ashamed that you are not talking to undocumented immigrants? I'll tell you if you send there, go, man. Send there. Next, Frakomazwo. Amazwa. Well, I'm very careful. What do you want to tell me? If people they talk to me and Mama Nora, what do you want to tell me? Frakomazwo. If people they talk to me, what do you want to tell me? You went to a prick. Amazwa. You went to a prick. Oboyan boy ravi you out. Yanak Mowenia. Now, yeah, topic that they give you. Frakomazwo. Yeah, topic. And then they give you. You will put the day for us. And the day when they see mess this again, put her for us, they call her my wife. Other kind, they want to disgrace you. Woman, where don't lost the conscience. Woman, where make, because of you and children, how they play. They settle people for social media. You don't feel settle Mama Kevin and children. If they want to curse you now, they'll say Frakomazwo. If they want to curse Mama Kevin, they'll say Mama Kevin. You where they cheat on Mama Kevin. That guy, where you go, where you carry you from one district to another. He had the because your saga now once in the where. I now feel you're on my platform. Say now you me call the saga. Amazwa, what to make you rock come up for Germany? Tell me. People they stay with Oyibo. You are the first person who stay with Oyibo. Who Oyibo pursue. Like black woman. You are the first. You don't use Oyibo to achieve anything. Now this guy, so we are here Enogie, where the doctor give position now for Benin. Now I give you document. Not be taken a pay to Italy. Almost zoo. I can a pay. We are like Italy. But we go me go. We don't make care for all la coco. No, the la coco document Italy. I get those guys with bola coco yo. Hey boy, what you put to ye boy? Almost. You say anybody will come. I must saga. Ye boy will put it for us. What happened to ye boy? You can't beat ye boy for us. May your girlfriend so rest in peace. Abiyawa. As Abiyawa do rich, Udo Beye say, you dey mad? You dey message me? Amazwa, you dey message me? Oh one, I'm your one. Either you like it or not, Amazwa, I'm your one. If you don't know today, no, I am your one. And I deserve some respect when you are messaging your one. If you don't know today, know it. I deserve some respect from you. You and my go collect us from yard. Well, I'm your bell. You will collect us for yard. You wait, dance. It's your prick. It cannot. You're a prick. It be like 1 month old baby prick. 1 month old baby prick. Stretch past your own. Almost you. All the girls waiting they cheat on Mama Kevin. Now break it till they sleep with them. No. Objection, my lord. Hallelujah. You were the suck toto for a living. You spread the toto where. Well, hallelujah. You don't say my wife they talk where. Ask me that they suck to. I know they suck toto. But there are ways to make a woman come and her leg will be shaking. You don't need to suck toto. This is the break. Use the break. You don't need to suck the toto. Must walk bell. All of you will collect from my hand. All of you. Either you people like it or not, I still remain your own one. Next. Larry Kate no red benjo. Kate care no red benjo. You will beat your pikin, beat your pikin, beat your pikin, beat your pikin, beat your pikin. Your pikin don't you, you go prison. Ex-convict of Benjo. Udak pa yegarina. Get Benjo. Udak pa yegarina.
I want to remind you something. Objection overruled, my lord. You forget something. Francobos were always sleep with married woman. We call use that both for live video.
Say he sleep with my go. He tell me I'm yawning.
He call use that both. They will all clapping for him.
Tell me I'm yawning.
He can't describe how he take fuck married woman. And the married woman husband buy her a drink.
I think can't. How many women when you don't sleep with Omozuo, you can't talk her for social media. Me don't sleep with this one now. In my love, I don't sleep with them. I chat to chat.
I see they look for the video, my brother. What?
When I go wafi, no ya mom outside your wa. You marry an outside man. Kate, you will use your mama to do a shower for Benjo for years. Kate, if they talk to me, I go not they laugh. Kate, you are any because now you useless mother. Then they do a shower. How can you bring your mother? Every other people will bring their mom for either for Mugwa or for any other thing. You bring your mama come to do a shower. You bring your mama make come do a shower for Benjo. Your mother stand in red light in Benjo. They can take care. You were your pikin send go prison. Pikin never send me go prison. You were they molest your children. As you did, so you did probation for Benjo police and probation. You did probation for Benjo police and you will only come back from prison. You will only come back from prison. You don't come. You'll be there in Enogie. I don't know show. I cannot sleep with Enogie. I don't know. I don't think they look that Enogie safe. He's so jobless. Now you defeat me. Enogie is so jobless. Now you defeat me. Are you the one feeding me? Have you ever heard that Enogie, I don't want to give them relevance. Maybe blogger will go put their picture later. Say Enogie go borrow person money, not fit pay back. Are you they feed me? Now you they feed me, not be they feed me. So where to make you feel, say you reach past me. As far you are not feeding me, you are not richer than me. As far I can be able to eat anything that I want to eat, you are not richer than me. Please guys, thumbs up the video for me and share the live stream. Good. Then where? I'm better than your house husband. Your house husband, you know if he stand for where I stand. Like as I did now, your house husband know if he stand for where I stand. If you use document pass me, I use a lot of things to pass your husband. Yes. You hear me? Can take care where they beg your way picking say go J. If your husband use document pass me use something pass your husband. When you bring out your children on social media, your children be like all those children where they carry from Kaduna to Kano. You they use twins, tired person. No good clothes on those beautiful children. Your children be like Silifatu. Go and ask what is Silifatu. You that cannot take good care of your own children. May God bless those children. Because I know some trauma give person picking, but they use them as an example. You where they do Ikpelebe for your children head for Benjo. You want message me? You want message me? Then I'm mobilizing Nazua. I'm mobilizing very much away. Even if I'm mobilizing, now say Zadi, my strength, or even mass away. The many ways to poison mobilizing. Mobilizing. Mass away. Only mass away. It is better may we both begin to take those children very seriously. Because twins children are beautiful children. But you know if you take care of those children. You want to talk. You want to talk. You want to. What bell? About loud. Next.